And what was that you said, Jenny?
Yes, Mr. Stang, you always tell us that in writing, when you're done, you've just begun because we're going to make it better than ever.
That's right. When you've done, you've just begun. Okay, welcome to writing. Hopefully you're done your flash draft because your partner is going to be looking for it. You're going to be elaborating as a team. Your partner is going to help you out whether they agree with your opinion or not. That's not the point. The point is to ask them. It's probably better if they don't agree because then they're going to challenge you with some very good questions that you have to defend yourself, and then you're going to get more into your answers. So by now you've probably written 2 or 3 sentences about each of your subtopics. Now, get your paper readable. 2 heads are better than 1. Let's look at the next one. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to share your argument with your partner. Give them commenting power so they're not going to do your work for you. If you forgot who your partner is, don't worry. They're going to be sharing with you and then you'll remember it. But just share it with your partner, okay? Then help your partner by giving them comments and asking them questions that will help them explain everything with more clarity and strength. To comment, highlight the section related to your question, click on the star on the right, add your comment, click on the comment. And today as you read your partner's work, look for sentences that are worded strongly. Be prepared to share at least one sentence that you think is strongly worded. Ask questions that require answers that, it can be one of these, can be answered with an opinion, must be researched to find an answer, and need data, numbers. They also must be researched. So when you're writing, you want to bedazzle them with some numbers like percentages and 9 out of 10 people like Blackpink more than twice or something like that. Okay, so let's just do a look at a sample here from last year. And I'm going to go ahead and present that so you can see it a little bit better. But I'll be sharing this with you anyways. Anyway, the questions are here. This is mine. I highlighted. Somebody said, what flavors do they have? What is your favorite food or drink? How much do these cost? Are they cheaper than other coffee shops? And you can just brainstorm. No question is a bad question because it might lead to a good question or a good idea. How are these seasonal drinks different than normal drinks? What are some examples of seasonal drinks? And then we had one from from the students too, searching. Your computer is faster than asking your friends, and it says, what do you like searching for the most if they're doing the iPad? Give me an example of a time when you found something very interesting. So that's what we're doing. You're going to be asking your partner as many questions as we can. Now we had this with report writing, and some of you remember that when we did report writing, it was hard to ask questions. Here's what really helps you to ask questions. You go to one of their sources or find your own source on the topic, and then as you're reading the source, questions start to come out, and hopefully you can get somewhere between 7 to 10 questions for your partner. Okay? All right, well, give it a try. I'll be looking forward to seeing your flash drafts and then all your questions in the comment places. Let me know again if you forgot your writing partner or if your writing partner doesn't share with you. That would be sad. Anyway, we'll work on making sure everybody gets involved in this.